Hi, everyone. This is Dmitry from Golden Ticket. Welcome to another trading session. In today's video, I will cover a brief overview of the vertical spreads. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you how do you make money when a stock is going sideways. So that means the stock is not going up, it's not going down, it's just kind of, just drifting along those lines. I'm also going to show you how to make money on a call that goes up and then down. I'm going to show you how to make money on a put that goes down and then up, and so on and so forth. Now, this is going to be, for me, quick because it's a rather easy thing. I'm not going to pull you out no fancy PowerPoint slides. I'm not going to, fill your head with big words and things like that. I'm just going to draw for you. And when I say I'm going to draw for you, I literally mean it. So let's get started. We're going to take out a drawing pad. So what is a vertical spread? Vertical spread is basically you have, we sell one and we buy one. Now, the one that we sell is going to be a call. These are both calls because this is a vertical spread. So we sell the call at 100. And we buy the call at 105. And what does that do for us? The call that we sell at 100, it acts as insurance. So I'm just going to write I. The call that we buy at 105 is looking to make us money. So I'm just going to write a little dollar sign right here. So basically, if we are wrong, the thing that happens is since we sold a call, if we are wrong, the call is going to bring us in money that we sold from the person that we sold it to. If we are correct in our assumption that the price is going to go up, which is the buying a call, that means that we are making money on the buy. Now, however, because our strike price is higher on the buy than it is on the sell, we are naturally going to make more money on the buy than we are on the sell. So that means that the sell is going to get canceled out and the buy is going to win. And same thing if it was to happen the other way. So we're going to go to Command C, Z. So if this was to happen and this was to not happen, we lose money on the buy and we make money on the sell. However, with the sell, we're going to make less money than the buy because our buy has a smaller strike price than the sell. So while we do not make money, you don't have to lose the whole $5,000. You only lose the $1,000. So that is how a vertical spread works. So you buy a vertical spread and you choose the strike price where, say, you don't have to do 1 and 105. You could do $100 and 101 or 101.5. So that's the basics of the vertical spread. And the vertical spread could go both ways. It could go for the call side or the put side. Now, every time you sell a vertical spread, that's basically a short, and a short, and a put is the same thing. So, it's not the same thing, but it's essentially the same concept in my opinion. So now that we pretty much understand what a vertical spread is and why it has two strike prices, because you're selling a call and you're buying a call. And what that means is the person that's buying your call, if he's correct, then you don't lose as much money. If you're the person that's buying your call is incorrect, then the call that you buy is correct. Our strike price is higher, the price is going up, and that means we're making money, which is why if you enter vertical spreads into your TD Ameritrade, into your Webull, which is why you will see that it's significantly cheaper. And it's also going to show you that you're going to have a much smaller profit. So your total profit is going to be, in line with the fact that you are paying less money. So we pretty much understand that. Just to give a quick recap, you sell a call and you buy a call. The sell a call part and the buy a call part, they have different strike prices. And if you sell a call, and you buy a call, which is a vertical spread, the prices are going to be different. And the reason why is because the call that you sell is essentially the insurance for you not to lose as much money. So I really want you guys to understand that, because I noticed that a lot of people are having, problems with options that require a little bit more experience. So I want to pull this up on Thinkorswim. So we got a Thinkorswim right here. Now we're gonna close this out. We're gonna go to trade. We're looking at Zoom right now. If we change it to from single to vertical, as you can see, if I buy, you see the prices right here. Ask is always to buy. Bid is always to sell. That's just what you have to remember. Now, look at the price for vertical, $1.50, and look at the price for your single, $16.20. So clearly, your profits are being slashed by over 80–90%. So if we go to vertical and we were to buy a vertical, not shorted, now we are buying one with a strike of 345, selling one, well, 10 technically, at the strike of 347.5. Now, why? Because if it goes down, this is going to give us our insurance. Because you know that the closer to the strike that you get, the higher your profits are going to be. Why? Because it goes in the money faster. Once it goes in the money, that's it. You are literally in profit. You are flying through the profit zone. Now, if it's going down, we want to have the opposite. Now, that is for selling a call. Buying a call is literally the polar opposite. The price that you buy at, which is the ask, once again, not the bid is to sell. We are going to be selling one at 335 and buying one at 340. Why? Because we want the price to go down. So that is the easiest way I could define verticals for you in the quick time span that I have to go over verticals. Once again, this is Dmitry on behalf of Golden Ticket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on alerts so you can get our future videos. And I will see you guys on Discord. Thank you for tuning in tonight. Before you go, here are 3 free ways that we can help you become a more profitable trader. You can join our Discord channel. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest videos and like this video. Thanks everybody for watching. More videos to come. We usually do them once a week, and I will see you later.